So, to remove the green screen, go to Mask and then click Chroma, which is like right here, and click the green thing and put the intensity all the way up. If it doesn't look right with the intensity all the way up, you can adjust it. Oh, wrong button. And do this for every single layer except for the background. Okay, now that you're done, we're gonna make it actually move. So I'm gonna start off with the blinking. So now that we already got this down, we're gonna put it up. So add some, okay, so go to keyframe here and click transform. Then add keyframes right here at the start and the end. And then go to the end keyframe and then put it up. Now I also recommend changing the graphs. These graphs are the ones that I usually use. I usually use this graph and this graph, but most of the time I use this one over here. So you can also make your own, but I'm very bad at making graphs. So you can see there's a smooth blinking. Now go to the skin thingy and add those keyframes again. Now you can see her. Now you can see that her left eye is opened. Left eye has opened, and then do the same with the other skin thingy. And her eyes have opened. Wow. And now we're gonna move her arm. So go to position and add keyframes. You can also go to rotate to make it look a bit smoother. Well, I meant the opposite way. Go to rotation and add the keyframes. Also add position to make it smoother and more realistic. Anyways, so you can make it go either way. I want it to go this way, and then no one's arm is gonna magically fly into their shoulder. So I'm gonna go to position and adjust it. Like that. And then add those keyframes. Okay, it looks nice. And then once you're done, merge all the layers. And then, but don't merge the background layers just yet. So go to keyframe. I usually add this for a little more vibe kind of off. And then so go to rotation and go to position and put the position all the way down there and rotate it a bit. And then unrotate it. And use those graphs, and it'll look something like this. Okay, and now add shadows. So go to shadow and don't make it at 0, make it a little closer though. I made mine 5. then make it like all the way blurred. That's what I do. And then like lower the opacity a bit if you want as well. Okay. Now that's good. Okay, now we're gonna do the coloring. So, actually no. Actually, we're going to show you how to make a transition. So, I duplicated the layers because I didn't want to make another one. Okay, so there's multiple ways. So, most of the time I usually use transform, but you can also go to add effect. And the best ones are in a warp. I'll show you how to do one of those, but I'm gonna do this one first. That means I'll have to duplicate this again. Okay, so go to transform. You can use a lot of these, so I'm gonna show you how to do a position one. So add a keyframe at the start and the end. Make this one, not this one, this one. And like move it like anywhere. I recommend either doing it up, down, or like this. So for example, I'm gonna do it like this. I usually center it like at the middle. And then add a mirror. It's gonna be helpful. And also add motion blur. I know that's a lot of motion blur, but I just like it that way. And then we're gonna do the out transition. Do it the opposite way. And then click this one. This time, not this one, this one. Oh, wrong way. Sorry. So you can get something like this. Looks a bit weird with the same clip. And you can also do this with scale. You can scale it in and out and stuff. But yeah. And now the warp. So click add effect. Click any warp you want. If I had to pick one, I would do stretch. So I usually go to amount and add less or more. I'm gonna add more and do this one. And it's gonna look a bit funny, of course it will. And then add that same one you used. But do it the opposite way. Don't do it like this. Do it like this. The opposite way. Like the opposite way. So let's say you did this. On the next one, you're gonna do this. Anyways, since I did this on the last one, I'm gonna do it on this. And then add the out keyframe. Like that. Now, you can usually use an edit audio to go with it and stuff. Anyways, for example, I'm gonna add something a bit random. I'll add the Topher video.
My name is Olivia, and I would want to. I thank Olivia. Y'all already know who I am. Y'all already know who I am. Y'all already know who I am. My name's Topher.
Okay, this is a really nice edit.
Y'all already know who I am. My name's Topher. Y'all already.
Anyways, so to add coloring, go to keyframe, and then go to colorings here. I usually use a preset because I'm too lazy to actually color. So the ones that I usually do, so I start off with B
Y'all
and
already know who I am. My name's Topher.
And then I click group again. and go to colorings again. And then I click the one next to it, deep purple.
Y'all,
Oh, oops.
y'all.
So I usually delete this one, not this one, this one. And then go to gradient overlay. And then pick one that matches the theme you're going for. So I'm gonna do like a reddish. Make sure not to make it like too bright or too dark. Make it like somewhere like in this area over here. Okay, and now go to end color and pick another color that matches. For this, I recommend like going around here. Don't make it all the way black though, still. Okay, and now there's like an exposure added. You can increase the exposure a bit. And there you go, your edit is done. Now you just need a watermark. What I usually do is I add my watermark. Most of the time I pick this font, but you can pick any font. And I usually make mine white, so make it increase to the length of your edit. And I usually do overlay. I don't know about you all, but I usually do overlay. And decrease the opacity a bit. And now your edit is done.
Y'all already know who I am. My name's Topher. Y'all already know who I am. My name's Topher.
Okay, that's very nice. Anyways, now you have to save it. Oops, an ad, so I'll just, oops, Spotify, not Spotify. And go to share, and then save to photos. And you're done. You're done with your edit. Woohoo! Okay, thank you.